Hi guys, I have three, count them, yes, three big announcements for you. Huge! All right, I'm not going to keep you in suspense. I'm going to tell you what all three are, and then we'll go back and do all the details about each one. First, the SAT course is live. It is huge. It is epic. More on that in a minute. Oh, also, and I will repeat this a little bit later on, but I am having a special for the launch that there's going to be a coupon code EOY, like end of year 2025, that you will be able to get 30% off of this course until Friday, May 16th, 2025. So again, that's EOY 2025. All courses can be accessed at mathwithalyssa.com, and this is for 30% off of the new SAT prep course until Friday, May 16th. All right, number two, the big one is I am opening up one-on-one tutoring sessions that are going to be accessible. I have the link in my description below. This is a new thing. I had to limit my time doing online tutoring due to some vocal cord damage I had a couple years ago, but I think I'm ready to go back to this in a limited capacity. More details on that in a minute. And then finally, I almost did two. Number three, I will be doing an Algebra final exam live stream Cram session on Thursday, April 24th, starting at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to be covering all of the major algebra topics as well as answering any general or specific algebra related questions you might have. So it's going to be a couple hours at least. It just depends on how many people show up and how many questions I can get through, how long my voice lasts. I can do this to try to help you guys get ready for your algebra final exams. And so again, just algebra. I haven't heard feedback for if geometry or other things like that might be on the table. They might let me know if there's something that you're interested in, that you'd like that kind of thing, in the comments below. But right now, just the plan is just algebra. Again, that is a live stream on Thursday, April 24th on YouTube, starting at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So bring your questions. Yeah, and so we're going to do our best. All right, now going back into some details about these three big things. First, the SAT course. This has taken me 11 months to finish this. Granted, 5 of those months I was in cancer treatment and I was still working on it, but that did put a slight damper on things, But since I finished the treatment and got the clean bill of health, I have been really just trying to get this done. I wanted to, so that you would have it before the end of the year. So if you're wanting to start that SAT and PSAT, it is for both. SAT, PSAT prep. If you're getting ready, you're going to take the PSAT in the fall, or if you're going to be taking the SAT in the fall. This is a great time. The access to this course, it is lifetime. There's not a time limit on it. So if you were to get the course now, it's still going to be there in a few months. If you're like, okay, I'm not ready to quite start, maybe more like July, August, go ahead and get it now. You'll have it there. It'll be accessible to you. All right, so I'm going to show you some of what is included in this. Okay, so all these courses are accessible through mathwithalyssa.com. You can get to all of these courses that I have. Currently, I have the free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks, which tells you about how to create a study plan, how to prepare, what to do on the day, all that good stuff. But then this bad boy is everything that you need to know for the SAT. So it starts with core concepts, and it moves on to the next major category of algebra. And then there's subsections within that, like linear equations, systems of linear equations, linear inequalities, and on and on. And then our next big category, problem solving and data analysis. And these, I should say, the 4 categories, not the core concepts, but the 4 categories are ones that are direct from the College Board. Core concepts are ones that I added, that they are concepts that show up all the time in the SAT, but are not in the official SAT prep. It's like the before, what you need to know before. So I have all that as well. Scrolling on down here, all that problem solving and data analysis. Then we have advanced math, like operations with rational expressions, factoring, quadratics, all that good stuff. And the last major category, geometry and trigonometry. Now, it used to in the past, the SAT and the PSAT had different topics and subtopics that were required. That is no longer the case. Currently, the College Board lists the exact same topics and subtopics for both. So whichever one you're preparing for, this course will do it. And as you can see, let me go back up to the top here. So for each one of these sections, I have videos explaining every single solitary concept. You can choose to watch or don't watch if you like. If you need that information, it is there. If you don't, you can skip it. It's not a prerequisite course, so you don't have to watch every single thing if you don't need it. There are over 16 hours of videos total in this course. There also are quizzes in here made of practice questions. Again, not a prerequisite. This is for your practice, not to say you must do this in order to go on. It's just for your benefit. So it will be 4 to 7 practice questions in each quiz. So there are hundreds of questions total. And when you start the quiz, it is a multiple choice, and it'll tell you immediately whether you've gotten it right or wrong. So here I click and say check the answer, and it will tell you, if you're right, and will score you at the end of that quiz. I also have at the end of each section, I have downloadable study guides. So here's an example of one of the downloadable study guides of the core concepts. It covers everything that is in that section, all the videos, all the information that's in those videos. It's a quick reference. So if you want to go back and go, oh, how do I do that again? You have this here. Again, you can also rewatch the videos. If it's something that even after you look at the shorthand, the study guides, you're like, I still don't quite remember how to do this. That's what the videos are there for too. So you have the study guides for your reference. Again, every single topic is covered in these study guides. You have the videos, and you have all the practice questions. So it's a lot. There's 88 quizzes, I believe, and there's 29 study guides, and again, over 16 hours of video. So everything is covered in there. And said it before, said again, mathwithalyssa.com. Your coupon code there is EOY, end of year 2025, end of the school year, for 30% off until May 16th, Friday, May 16th. Right, the next topic on our list is the one-on-one tutoring. I'm also going to have a link to that down below. Currently, I have it set up as half-hour blocks. You can book back-to-back if you want. I'm starting it very limited, just a couple of hours a day. And I am on the East Coast of the United States, so these are in the afternoon to evening Eastern time. If there is a time where I hear a lot of feedback where guys are like, well, it'd be better because where I am in the world, it'd be better if it was in the morning on your time, let me know. I'm just testing this out, starting, testing the waters here, seeing how this goes. I want to do this at a time that's good for you guys. So again, I have them in half-hour blocks, but if you need a longer time, you can book back-to-back, and the information is going to be on the website. You can just go ahead and book those times. Links will be in the description below. And the final one, again, just as a reminder, for the Algebra final exam cram session, that is Thursday, April 24th at 3 p.m., starting at 3 p.m. Eastern time. We'll be going for a couple hours at least, I'm imagining. That's the plan. If it goes a little longer than that, it may go a little longer than that if I get a lot of people on, a lot of people with questions. We'll see how long I can go. I'll bring lots of tea, the real tea, not spilling the tea, actually drinking tea. Keep my voice going for multiple hours to get you guys the help that you need for that final exam. All right, so that is everything. If you have any questions on any of this, drop them down below. I will absolutely, answer anything I can. Anything you have to, you want to know about any of this. Links to everything, links to my website, to mathwithalyssa.com, as well as links to the booking page, or if you're wanting to book some one-on-one tutoring sessions where you can do that as well. And if let me know about the tutoring, if this is really something, if you guys would be interested in and expanding a bit more. If it is a major thing that a lot of people are really interested in, I can set up things like, say, a package of, if you want to buy a lump sum of so many sessions, get a discount on that. Things like that are definitely possible, but I just don't even know if this is something anyone's interested in. So before I go down that rabbit hole, just thought I would put this out there and see what y'all think. But that's it. Those are my 3 big announcements. Questions, comments, drop it down below. Any additional courses you'd like to see. yes, as far as for the English course, I know I've mentioned that in the past. I am certified to teach English. I am qualified to teach English. I also did get a perfect on my English SAT. So yes, that was always my intention, was to do a course on English as well. But yeah, let me know about that too, if that's something you guys are even interested in, because it's a lot of work, clearly. And I'm happy to do it, and I would love to have both the math and the English courses available, so you can have a one-stop shop for all your SAT prep needs. But, if no one's interested in it, then, why waste the time? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just let me know all your thoughts and feelings, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.